If you want to hide your phone number on Telegram, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to keep your number more private and control who can see it or find you by it. This is a simple privacy setting, but it can make a big difference if you want to protect your personal information while using Telegram. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Once you're inside Telegram, look for the menu icon in the top left corner. That's the three-line K menu, and that's where you'll find the main settings for your account. Click or tap on the menu, then select Settings. Inside Settings, find Privacy and Security and open it. This is the section where Telegram lets you control things like your profile visibility, last seen status, calls, groups, and phone number privacy. Now scroll or look for phone number and click on it. This is the area that controls who can see your number and who can search for you using it. Under the option that says Who could see my phone number, you'll usually want to choose Nobody if you want the strongest privacy. If you still want your saved contacts to be able to see it, then choose My Contacts instead. Either option helps you limit exposure compared to leaving it visible to everyone. Next, look for the setting that says Who can find me by my number. This controls whether people can discover your Telegram account if they already know your phone number. Choose the option that best matches your privacy preference. If you want to stay more private, keep it restricted as much as possible. If you want friends and contacts to find you more easily, you can leave it more open. Once you've made your selections, you don't need to do anything extra. Telegram saves these privacy changes automatically, so you can simply close the settings and you're done. That's it. Your Telegram phone number privacy is now updated, and you've taken a simple but important step toward protecting your account. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Telegram tips and app guides, and I'll see you in the next video.